Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. On this video, we are going to analyze how the market is going to be reacting on the day of expiry. We will also be knowing when and how to take positions for tomorrow and be prepared, and what are our key levels going to be are the ones that are going to be disclosed in this video. And also we are going to discuss about the profits that we have made and also give you a bit of an information as to how you can also make profits in such volatile markets. So without further ado, let's quickly see what exactly did Bank Nifty do today. So the Bank Nifty had a lot of pressure right at the beginning of the day on the put side. Then it started confusing people, brought them to a call side. Then again, put was the one which was dominant. Then again, calls. Then puts all the way, then a retracement, then a fall, which was just in a 5-minute candle. And then there was a rise of 400 points. So this is volatility to the best. And for tomorrow, just look at this trend line very carefully. All right. I will be very much interested if Bank Nifty is trading above this particular trend line. But this is the most important level that I wanted to take out for me to be anywhere near bullish. That is 36,000. So near 36,000, we might have a quick move to somewhere around 36,200, and on a day of expiry, this can just double your capital. Remember, these are the levels for us on the upside. And onto the bottom, let me tell you, there is a big pit at the bottom. In the bottom, if we try to understand and see that there is a lot of places that it actually tried to defend itself today. Here, here, and here. So it defended itself here. Then the final defense was at the bottom. So the most important thing that you want to do is that if you want to go to a P side, be rest assured that Bank Nifty has to go ahead and move below 35,500 for us to take any positions on to the P side. Remember, this is the area that you need to get your P buying ability activated. And this, if this particular area is touched after 2 o'clock or 2:30, you're going to get a zero hero position over here at this round of area. On the top, I'm not that convinced to the fact that we are going to have any hero zero after 2 o'clock, but this might be an early day move that it might touch there and come down, because what is going to happen during the expiries is that option sellers will increase the call prices and then short them and then increase the put prices. So we have a big range that we can play tomorrow on the option side, and I want you to be very, very careful with that. Okay, so tomorrow lessen your quantity and keep that in mind. And over here today we were doing live trades on our session, and we made 10,000 bucks. It was quick and easy money, but it was very, very difficult in today's market to stay green. If you have not made profits by yourself today, or by help of any indicator for that matter, you can actually join us on www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with us tomorrow, because we are going to have 2 sessions, one in the morning and one in the evening. That would be a zero hero. And also, if you want to know how we have been progressing and some important information about how the market is going to react early in the morning to have a view, join our Telegram channel that is listed down in the description, so that we can get you over there and be of an assistance. So that's a free channel. You can join anytime. So this are the levels that I have for tomorrow. It is definitely a big whipsaw that is happening here on a daily time scale as well. So if I start making those trend lines like the way I made yesterday, we are still going to be at the bottom until this particular trend line is taken on the top. Until then, guys, I want you guys to be very, very careful. Preserve your capital, because you won't become rich immediately on the day when the option goes from 500 to 1,000. Okay, but the point is that if you want to become rich, it's not an overnight process, but it's a daily consistent amount of money that needs to come into your account. Remember, trading is not gambling, it's a business. So take it as the way how it comes every day. And if you want to do wonders in options and make profits similar to this, do join us on www.rltrgroup.com and join our Telegram channel, so that we can help you better. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you like my analysis. What we predicted yesterday was awesome. Today was even better, and we are getting even more better than how markets are going to be reacting over a period of time. Thank you so much for your time today, guys. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Please do share your love with your loved ones. Jai Hind. We'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye-bye. Take care.